Hey guys, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about Lesson 5, the function search. First, I want to ask you guys a question. What can we do when we encounter problems while using PowerPoint? The answer is, we can use the function search. As you can see down here, the function search is on the top of our toolbar. So, why do we need this function? The answer is pretty simple. It is because we are not able to memorize the location of every function in PowerPoint. Through search, we can easily find the functions we want to use. So, how does search works? First, left-click on search. Second, type the functions you want to search. Now, let's see how it works through this video. First, I left-click search. Suppose that I want to find the function shape, so I will task shape on the search bar. As you can see, the shape function will pop out down here. Now, let's see another example. Suppose I want to search for insert text boxes. You might have a question that, how am I supposed to memorize the entire name of the function's name? In fact, your computer is very smart. You don't have to type the entire name of the function's name. All you have to do is just type a few alphabets of the function's name, and the function you want to find will pop out automatically. Let's continue the video. When I type ins, the function will pop out down here. So this is how the function search works. Now, it's your turn to practice. See you next time. Bye.